When solving systems by substitution, the goal is to reduce the system to one equation that has only one variable. Here, both equations are solved for y, which makes it easy to use the substitution method. Y equals 3x. We're going to substitute 3x for y in the second equation. This gives us an equation with just x. Let's isolate x by subtracting x from both sides, resulting in 2x equals negative 4. Then divide both sides by 2. We get x equals negative 2. Next, we solve for y using one of the original equations. Substitute negative 2 for x. Y equals 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. Therefore, the solution as an ordered pair is negative 2, negative 6. You can also check by substituting negative 2 and negative 6 into both equations in the system, and they should both produce true statements. Next, we have y equals x minus 4 and 2x plus y equals 5. Notice that the first equation is solved for y, which means we can substitute x minus 4 for y in the second equation. This gives us an equation containing only x. Simplifying, we get 3x minus 4 equals 5. Solve for x by adding 4 to both sides, and then dividing both sides by 3, resulting in x equals 3. Next, we substitute 3 for x in one of the original equations. Y equals 3 minus 4, which is negative 1. Therefore, the solution as an ordered pair is 3, negative 1. Here, we're given two equations, negative 2x plus y equals 8, and 3x plus 2y equals 9. To use the substitution method, we first need to isolate one of the variables. The easiest one to isolate in this case is y in the first equation because it doesn't have a coefficient, it's just 1. Solve for y by adding 2x to both sides, giving us y equals 2x plus 8. Next, substitute this expression for y in the second equation. Remember to use parentheses around 2x plus 8 since y has a coefficient of 2 in the second equation. This gives us 3x plus 2 times the expression 2x plus 8 equals 9. Distribute the 2, resulting in 3x plus 4x plus 16 equals 9. Combine the x terms to get 7x plus 16 equals 9. Solve for x by subtracting 16 from both sides, then dividing by 7. We get x equals negative 1. To find y, substitute negative 1 for x in one of the original equations. We can also use the equation that's already been solved for y. This gives us y equals 2 times negative 1 plus 8, which simplifies to y equals negative 2 plus 8, which equals 6. Therefore, the solution is negative 1, 6.